Yes, good morning again, guys. Umpisa na naman tayo ng ating bagong task. Ang bago naming re-referin ay ang Villa number 13. Dito tayo nag-umpisa. Palit po kami ng water heater but was busy at iba pa. Yes, bro. That guy is mason. He picks the tiles.
Good.
Yeah. Now we start to clean the tiles and grouting. So I'll check one by one the sink, bottle drop. Bottle drop we need to change also. Dapat palitan ang bottle drop. Kailangan i-check isa-isa. Okay ang function ng ilalim. Papalitan din na ng bottle drop. Testing po natin isa-isa para kung ano yung may differential. Resilin agad na hindi makita. Wala silang may kukuling. So, hanapin natin isa-isa kung ano yung problema. Ayan ho ang papalit natin wash basin. Bagong wash basin. Ito naman ang ating bagong water heater. Yes, bro. Disconnect the wiring. No,
No, remove wiring.
just remove first wiring. Wait. Where is the switch? Where is the switch of water heater? Ah, okay, switch off. No problem. The water heater is inside. Just remove the wiring there.
No wiring, brother. Not
Yeah.
wiring.
Open.
Yeah.
Just open and check the wiring. Careful, ha?
Yes.
Tanggal ko muna yung water heater. Yung wiring lang naman yun. Kasi din-rain ko na siya kanina. Pakit po tayo sa taas. Po sa baba. Yes, bro. My brother is tired. Check po natin isa-isa yung ang bottom part niya is okay. Sink mixer is okay. Sa baba lang may problema ang kitchen. Ito naman. Pwede siya. Hindi siya. Idoro. Bakal. So, may mga crack lang yung wheels. Yung mga ganyan po ang mag-check namin isa-isa. Oh, ito pa ang isang problema sa ilalim. Yan po mga ilalim na ganyan, kailangan talaga checking isa-isa. Papalitan natin lahat. Don't know what you do, I never listen now. Don't know what you say. My heart is falling in tears. Ito naman. Okay na siya. Shower. Yan. Gumagana po lahat ang kanyang shower. Ang kanyang flush. Then, okay din. Yung kanyang bubble drop. Is okay. So, itong isang ito ay silicone na papalitan natin. Saka shower pipe, luma yung shower pipe. Ang mirror niya, okay naman. Towel holder, soap holder. Tissue holder. Okay naman. Medyo papalitan lang natin yung tissue holder. Lumay na rin. Dito naman tayo sa flash. Using bidet ang bathtub. Shower. Pagtandi natin ang shower head kasi medyo luma na rin yung shower head. Tingnan din. Okay naman. Ito kasi sa bila na to, bathtub niya sa taas, apat na baan yung isang kitchen. Sa taas lang yun. Sa baba, isang kitchen, dalawang bathroom. So, medyo malaki. Maraming banyo. Ito ang isa ay medyo maraming problema itong isa kasi yung bathtub niya sila medyo may problema siya. Battery trap at saka tangke. Ito may problema rin siya. Ito may problema rin. Medyo rin dito sa sumali. Shower. Problema rin. Isa na po ng ingay. Ganda ng barbell ng kapitbahay. Pwede siyang sariling gym. So far away. Ano po ba? Papalitan din. Ano pa ang iba? Yeah! Love you! ang isang kapre. Ang taas po niyan 6'2". Kaya ako hanggang balikat na lang. Yes bro. Difficult?
One test remove, huh? But one test not remove.
Just first remove the earthing and pull up the thermostat. It's easy to remove the wiring. You see the earthing?
Yes. Yes.
That one, the green and yellow. Just remove that one.
No, I'm remove red.
Huh?
Red remove. Where?
Red and
Blue.
brown, blue.
Hmm.
Also, the only one is not removed.
No, do not. One not remove. Blue color.
Blue, no problem. Just remove the earthing first. The green and yellow.
Brown.
Yellow. Kabit na po kami ng water heater. Hindi pa lang siya tapos tanggal. Yes.
Not current there?
Eh?
Not current? Current not? Current not here.
It's ground.
Current.
Current.
Yes.
No
Not
current.
current. No current?
Off.
Off?
Yeah.
Not one piece remove. Blue color. Why?
Bago lang mo kasi kaya hirap. Pinatuturuan sa akin kaya hinahayaan mo muna. Actually madali lang yan kaya lang bago lang siya kaya Gigibahan na po sa taas. Walang pamit-pamit. Yes bro, how are you?
Hi.
Say hi. My brother.
Remove.
If I had to lonely night, magkakadilat kami ng water heater. We don't know what we have. You see the bottom?
Kaya tuwag kami nga.
You don't know what we have still. Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin ng namahan ko. Too much gagarga. Tayo. That's the ceiling also.
Remove this one.
And remove. Go down and remove first. Because the phone is electricity. Bro. Bro.
Let's go.
Sabi nga ng iba, talagang mahal mo siya, ang hayaan mo. Hayaan mo.
Okay.
This one, the blink.
Lift up.
You need the insulation.
Yeah.
The insulation is not good. Well, this is for yung line. Easy.
AC line, huh?
Easy line. Oh, wow. Look, they have a wire there. We need to tie this one. Babagsak ang ceiling. Walang support. Kung talaga hayaan mo siya'y lumisan. At umihiling ako sa iba't hanap. Sana hindi ako isa. Na sana ay hindi ko lumahan. Ang ganda ng tali namin. Plastic. Ingatan mo siya. Ay, wala ko dahil sa'yo. 3. Before I have back rings. Back rings is easy to open this one.
Okay.
But all my tools now is Sahara.
Yeah.
I'm not belong also to Sahara. That's why my tools is needed. Just always see the problem of the works, huh? Because maybe next week you're alone.
Next week?
Maybe. Maybe next week you're alone to the one side. What is problem? This position is very deep. What happened? Yeah. Okay.
Too much hunting, bro. Hunt and titi.
Yeah.
Yeah. My shoulder.
Somebody broke.
Okay. Down. Sit inside. Again.
Binaliwala niya ko dahil sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo. Yes.
No problem. 80 liter change water heater, too much problem. 80 liter.
80 liters?
Yeah.
I always alone. Yeah, I'm alone also to fix that one. But if you have an idea how to fix,
Only kitchen, only not bathroom side. Too much problem changing. Not any area.
before
Just
you
basic.
remove the water heater, just thinking first. Think what is the easy way. Just find the easy way. Because water heater is difficult to fix. It's not easy. Oh, that is the problem.
What is this, huh?
Ingatan mo siya. Edit. Start.
Yeah.
Start.
Sure.
Start. This side is also that is the live wire. Line. The brown one is the line. The blue one is neutral.
Red line and blue neutral.
Because we have brown and blue. No?
Yeah. Front.
That is the neutral and supply. The supply is the brown. The blue one and the neutral. Not possible to put the powder because the wire is very short. So we need to open this one and disconnect the line.
No, this one. Huh?
That one is not possible to fix. The wire is short, so only the light. Okay. This is another contact. NRV. New is better. If you fix that one, do not fix too much tight. This is good. Just testing the spring. If the spring is stuck, the water is not coming inside. So the water is always empty. If you see that rubber is easy to play, that water is empty. Let's go. It's your turn. May ari ng ganda na mahal ko. Okay. So, just little because the ceiling
Inside?
yeah, just like that. Just a little. Ayan. Enough. Enough. Sabi na lang. Okay.
This one hot rain, eh?
Sometimes the pipe is crossed because it's depend to the line. And also that line is difficult to fix. That's why the water heater is offset. Must be like this, no?
Yeah.
But the line is very difficult. So if you see the pipe, it's X
Exactly.
cross line. Pakisabi na lang. Ano pa?
Okay.
Cut na. No need to fix that. Because the line is short.
Okay.
Main bar.
And then okay.